Want to speak real Danish from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at danishclass101.com.
Hey everyone, I'm Jonas. Hej alle sammen, jeg hedder Jonas. Welcome to the Danish whiteboard lessons. In this lesson you'll learn how to talk about your nationality. Let's get started. Okay, let's look at the vocabulary. First we have Sydkoreaner, South Korean. Sydkoreaner, sydkoreaner, sydkoreaner. Mexikaner, Mexican, mexikaner, mexikaner, mexikaner. Russer, Russian, russer. Russer, russer. Next. Inder, Indian, inder, inder, inder. And tysker, German, tysker, tysker. Franskmand, French, franskmand, franskmand, franskmand. Next. Japaner, Japanese, japaner, japaner, japaner. Brasilianer, Brazilian, brasilianer, brasilianer, brasilianer. And Egypter, Egyptian, Egypter, Egypter, Egypter. Sydafrikaner, South African, sydafrikaner, sydafrikaner, sydafrikaner. And Hongkonger, Hongkonese, Hongkonger, Hongkonger, Hongkonger. All right. Græker, Greek, græker, græker, græker. Israeler, Israeli, israeler, israeler. And Canadier, Canadian, Canadier, Canadier, Canadier. Nordmand, Norwegian, nordmand, nordmand, nordmand. Svensker, Swede, svensker, svensker, svensker. And the last one, dansker, Dan, dansker, dansker, dansker. Let's look at the dialogue. When I read, I want you to pay attention to the nationality. Find the nationality and see how it's used in the dialogue. Here we go. Er du dansker? Ja, jeg er dansker. Er han svensker? Nej, han er ikke svensker. Han er nordmand. All right, so the English version of this would be, are you Danish? Yes, I'm Danish. Is he Swedish? No, he's not Swedish. He's Norwegian. Now, let's look at the sentence pattern. The dialogues was basically structured from this. Du? And then you put in the nationality, meaning, are you? And then nationality. Now let's look at some of the supplemental vocabulary that relates to this topic. Here we go. Ja, basically meaning yes. Yeah. Yeah. Nej, and that means no. Nej. Nej. And then we have ikke, and that means not. That's a general negative denominator. Ikke. Ikke. And then we have du, meaning you. That's the second person singular pronoun in Danish. Du. Du. And then han. That means he in Danish. Third person singular pronoun. Han. Han. Other ones in the same category would be hun, meaning she. Hun. Hun. And the last one, den or det, meaning it. Den. Det. Den. Det. Nationality in Danish typically has an ER added with a few regulars in there. When we do languages or native tongues, we add SK in the end, also with a few regulars. So let's look at a couple of examples here. So first one, en dansker taler dansk, meaning a Dane speaks Danish. Next one, en tysker taler tysk. A German speaks German. Please notice when writing in Danish, only countries and places are written with capital letters. Do you remember how to say South Korean? Sydkoreaner. Sydkoreaner. And how to say Mexican? Mexikaner. Mexikaner. Do you remember how to say Russian? Russer. Russer. And how to say Indian? Inder. Inder. Do you remember how to say German? Tysker. Tysker. And how to say French? Franskmand. Franskmand. Do you remember how to say Japanese? Japaner. Japaner. And how to say Brazilian? Brasilianer. Brasilianer. Do you remember how to say Egyptian? Egypter. Egypter. And how to say South African? Sydafrikaner. Sydafrikaner. Do you remember how to say Hong Kongese? Hong Konger. Hong Konger. And how to say Greek? Græker. Græker. Do you remember how to say Israeli? Israeler. Israeler. And how to say Canadian? Canadier. Canadier. Do you remember how to say Norwegian? Nordmand. Nordmand. And how to say Swede? Svensker. Svensker. Do you remember how to say Dane? Dansker. Dansker. And how to say I am? Jeg er. Jeg er. Do you remember how to say I'm Danish? Jeg er dansker. Jeg er dansker. In this lesson, you learned how to talk about your nationality in Danish. Thanks for watching. I'm Jonas, and I will see you on danishclass101.com. Vi ses. Hej hej.
Want to speed up your language learning? Take your very first lesson with us. You'll start speaking in minutes and master real conversations. Sign up for your free lifetime account. Just click the link in the description.